Hi, today we're going to do multi-digit multiplication using the standard algorithm, and it's going to be 3 by 3 digits. So before we get started, we're going to estimate to see what a reasonable answer would be. So 273 is close to 300, and 306 is close to 300. So I'm going to estimate them both to be 300. And 300 times 300 is going to give you 90,000. So hopefully our answer is going to be close to 90,000. Sometimes when I'm doing standard algorithm, I like to hold my paper horizontally instead of vertically, so I can use the lines from the paper to help make my work more neat and organized. So that's what I'm doing right now. We have a top floor and we have a bottom floor. When we look at the bottom floor, you always want to put the lesser amount of digits just because each individual number on the bottom floor needs to multiply by each individual number on the top. So it's just more efficient and quicker if you put less digits on the bottom. So we're going to start with the 6. We're going to multiply the 6 by the 3, the 6 by the 7, and the 6 by the 2. 6 times 3 is 18. You're going to put the 8 down and carry the 1 and place it right over the 7. Now we're going to do 6 times 7, which is 42, and we need to add that 1, which will make it 43. I'm going to cross the 1 out so I don't get confused later on. So I'll put the 3 down here and carry the 4. Now we have 6 times 2. 6 times 2 is going to give you 12, plus 4 is going to give you 16. And we have our first partial product because we multiplied the 6 by 273. Now we're in the second row, so we're not, this 0 is going to actually give us an interesting little mix-up to our equation. Because we know with the identity property that 0 times anything is going to always equal 0. So it's kind of like a shortcut. You know you don't have to multiply all these together. So we're just going to move right over to this 3. And if you look at this 3, you're going to be able to see that it's in the hundreds place. So not only are you going to have 1 0, you're going to have to do 2 zeros because we're not multiplying by 3. It's actually 300 we're multiplying. So those 2 zeros are just going to set us up for easier multiplication. Now we're going to do 3 times 3, which is going to give us 9. 3 times 7 is going to be 21. We're going to put down that 1 and carry the 2. Now we have 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is 6, plus 2 more is going to give us 8. And now I finished getting 2 partial products, which is interesting because this is a 3-digit number by 3-digit number, and we're only getting 2 partial products, and that's because we have that 0 right there. Now we need to add our partial products together. 8 plus 0 is 8. 3 plus 0 is 3. 6 plus 9 is 15. We're going to put the 5 down to represent 5 ones and then carry that 1. Now we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, which will give us 3. And then we have 8 plus nothing. So we know that's going to stay 8. So our product of 273 times 306 is 83,538. And our estimate put us close to 90,000. So I'd say we're right on track. Hope this helps. Have a great night.